Hello, welcome to today's video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood for this Mercedes SLK250 diesel AMG Sport automatic. It's a 2014, so 2014 in the year. Later, it's 14 plate on a 64 reg. Finished in polar white. It has the dark red Bengal leather trim. Has heated seats. It's got front and rear Parktronic, so front and rear park sensors. Just show you the alloys. No curbing. That wheel's in lovely condition as well. You can see the front park sensors down there. LED daytime running lights. Now this car has some nice options. So it has the Vario roof, so it has the panel in the roof, the hard top, retractable roof, which is glass, so you can let some light through. It has full command, so with the command you get DAB digital radio, the slightly bigger screen, satellite navigation, obviously Bluetooth, heated seats, multifunction wheel with your cruise control, paddles for the gearbox to change gear if you want to change manually, cruise control, speed limiter, had extra cup holders, as I say, the mirror package. So with command, satellite navigation, Bengal red heated leather seats, and a Vario roof, and front and rear park sensors. Got the wind deflector in there. It's got the Analogue clock, which was an optional extra in the dashboard. You can see the glass panel in the roof there. I'll show you again when I put the roof up. Really nice in polar white. Great looking little sports car. I'll just show you these two wheels. Not curved at all. Front one's immaculate as well. I would say they've been refurbed at some time in the car's life. Leather seat in fantastic condition. No marks on the door cards. 69,119 miles. Heated seats. Visual for the rear park sensors. Visual for the front park sensors. I'll just show you the satellite navigation. Obviously Bluetooth for your phone. You can connect your hands-free your phone to play your music as well. So 69,000 miles. Just put the roof up. Here we go. If I press the button the right way, here it comes. You'll see that there's a glass panel in the roof called the Vario roof. There you go, that's the roof up, windows up. Priced at £12,595, 1464. 69,000 miles. Really nice specification, lovely condition. Very nice example. So please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, which is Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood's website. You can see our other SLKs and other vehicles in stock. Or visit us on our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Instagram, or go to YouTube and please subscribe to Barclay Motor Company's channel, where you'll get a notification and you'll be the first to see our new stock videos as they arrive. Thank you for your time today. Goodbye.